You're gonna love the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Rise to the challenge in style in this handsome Pathfinder. This 3-row SUV offers standard driver assist safety features, impressive towing ability, thoughtful family-focused amenities, and a smooth, quiet ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.